Assalamu alaikum friends, I warmly welcome you back to my new video. In today's video, we are going to guide you through the process of downloading and securely storing the Xampp software on your personal computer. After you have successfully opened Chrome, you will need to perform a specific search in the designated area provided here.
Sammu.
Please take the time to search diligently for the official Xampp download form, and in the same process, ensure that you also open its official website to access the most up-to-date information and resources related to the software. When you first open the application, it is necessary for you to download version 8.2.12 from this provided link, as this represents the latest available version. While the download process is currently taking place, the software will prompt you to select the specific folder in which you want to download this file. Is that correct? For the download location, choose your folder here. After choosing, configure the settings here and download the setup. So here I cancel it. After cancelling, I close it from here. After closing, I go to the folder where the download is located on my PC. Here you can see that the Xampp is now downloaded. So let's install Xampp from here. You need to click OK here. After the setup opens, you need to click next. Then you need to click next again. And then from here, select your folder where you want to download and click next here, then click next again. From there, choose the language you want to use it in. From this point forward, please proceed to next. It was finally installing. After installing, the video continues. You can see that the setup has been completed from here. From here, you need to click finish. So finally friends, you can see it has been installed on your screen. If you liked my video today, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and let me know in the comments what other content you want. For now, like Office,